Hello everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team, and I'm joined by
Crystal Haydo from Allen Edwin Homes.
And we're super excited because we are coming to you from the Traditions 3100 floor plan. This is a floor plan that we haven't done any videos on previously.
I know, and this one was revamped, so I can't wait.
I know, right? And we are located at 5771 Boxthorn Trail in Kalamazoo, Texas Township. So what's great about that is a lower tax rate.
Oh yes, I did some calculations on this home, and you're gonna pick up $30,000 in buying power just for buying this house in Texas Township because of the taxes. Is that crazy?
Awesome. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of buying power.
Yes, it is, yeah.
And now we're in the neighborhood called Applegate Pines.
Yes, that's right.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, so this is gonna be off of 10th Street, and it's 10th Street and Texas Drive.
Okay.
We are 5 minutes from the highway, but you don't hear it.
Yep.
We're 6 minutes from grocery stores and shopping. We are in the Portage Public School District, so we have the highly rated schools that are assigned to this neighborhood, which are going to be Morris Bridge Elementary, West Middle, and Portage Central High School.
I love that.
Yep.
And not only are we conveniently located, but we also have the Sabo Land Preserve.
Right across the street.
Like within a 3-minute drive from here.
Yes.
Over 740 acres.
Yes.
With biking trails, walking trails,
boardwalks. It's maintained, it's beautiful, it's serene. As a matter of fact, Jason, I'm sorry to say this, it's so big that I got lost one time with my friend. It was beautiful.
Thankfully you had your phone and you could get out of there.
But I recommend it. Yeah, it's too pretty and too close.
Yeah, it's such a phenomenal asset to the community.
Absolutely.
That not a lot of people take advantage of.
Yeah.
So make sure you check that out as well. Now, tell me a little bit about the Traditions 3100.
Okay, so just some simple stats about this one. It's a 2-story home, and we have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and we're looking a little over 3,000 square feet.
Okay.
This particular home, we'll probably see from photos, is gonna have a really big, wide open concept here in the back of the home, where you'll see your kitchen and your dining, and then a very grand staircase, and all the bedrooms upstairs are gonna have walk-in closets.
Really nice big bedrooms and really nice big walk-in closets. It's great. Plus, again, 2nd floor laundry.
Yep.
Where all the laundry comes from anyway. And then this house, which is great, is it has a walkout basement that goes along with it. So you've got daylight windows, but you also have walkout access to the backyard.
Yep. And speaking of the property itself, so we are on a cul-de-sac here, and this is on a wooded site that's almost an acre.
So really large site for Texas Township for being in a neighborhood.
Yep.
Just some really great features. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of walk you through the house just to give you an idea of the layout. If you have questions or you want more information about this particular house, make sure you reach out to us. You can go to our website and you can fill out a quick form there, schedule a 20-minute conversation. We can also meet you here sometime.
Yes.
We'd love to show you this property. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you click on the bell, because we are going to be continuing these conversations. We're going to be continuing telling you more about different floor plans, different neighborhoods, and all about Allen Edwin.
Okay, are we ready?
Let's do it.
Oh.
All right, so one of the things that I absolutely love about this house is this incredible gourmet kitchen. Check out all of the counter space that we have. We've got stainless steel appliances. You've got this beautiful center island, and you've got space for 3 bar stools at the island. You've got a separate cooktop here, gas cooktop, and then you've got an oven and microwave built in. One of the things that's special about this is underneath the cooktop, you actually have some drawers for all your pots and pans, just to keep them out of the way and accessible to where you need them, right? So in addition to all of this space over here, you've got a ton of extra space over here, because we actually have a complete butler's pantry and a separate pantry here where you can store all of your extra goods, all of your extra appliances, everything that you need in your kitchen can be hidden away nicely.
Okay, so in addition to this wonderful kitchen and all the amenities, right next to it we have the informal dining. Quite easily could fit 6 to 8 person table here. It looks out to the rear yard. You know, we have a barricade here so that we can allow the homeowner to add any design of deck that they want, and that looks out to the wooded backyard. And then over here we have the great room. Lots of room, so you're not going to struggle with, where am I going to put my furniture? Will it fit? Not a problem here, right? So lots of wall space, so it makes ease of furniture placement. And then of course lots of light off the rear of the yard.
So one of the other wonderful things about the main floor here is you've got this incredible office. You've got wonderful windows that let in a ton of daylight. This room would also be great to be used as a music room or as a library. Okay, so now we're upstairs, and upstairs we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, laundry room, kind of everything you need in one place, super conveniently located. What I love about this primary bedroom suite, you've got a huge bedroom, you've got a huge walk-in closet, plus a huge bathroom, double vanity. You've got a separate shower, separate soaking tub.
It's a stand-alone one too.
I know, it's really cool. Yeah. And a separate water closet.
Okay, so in addition to that, there's a couple other things about the upstairs that I absolutely love about this design. So all the non-primary bedrooms are going to have walk-in closets.
So all 4 bedrooms have walk-in closets.
Yes, and they're not little walk-in closets. They're big ones.
Yeah.
And then also, this is probably the most private layout that we have for our 2-story designs.
Okay.
So every single bedroom has 2 walls in between each bedroom.
Okay, so like this bedroom and that bedroom
has the bathroom,
in between.
This one has the laundry. This has the staircase, and this one has a bathroom and the walk-in closet.
I love that.
Right?
All right, so down here in the basement, we already talked about the fact that this is a walkout. So you've got a slider out to a back patio in your backyard, but you also have some gorgeous, beautiful big windows that give you a lot of natural light. And I love that because look at how much space we have down here to be able to finish off. You can have an incredible rec room. You could have a poker table over there. You could have seating over here. In our last video, we talked about watching the Lions at next year's Super Bowl. We can do that down here as well. Really great space, plus there's a ton of additional storage space that can be utilized. So it's not all wasted space.
All right, Jason, look at the outside of this home.
This is gorgeous.
I know. So look at the porch here. So it's extra deep and it wraps around the front here.
Yeah.
And then off the front, we have this nice long lead walk with lots of architectural features to include stone, the different aspects with the board and batten and the shake.
All right, so one of the things that I absolutely love about this is you've got an extra wide driveway and a 3rd stall garage for all of those extra things, like maybe an extra driver in the family.
Yes, who's getting their license.
Yeah,
Woo-hoo.
Or maybe bicycles.
Snow blowers.
All of the things
Kayaks. Oh my gosh, you got it
so
all.
many
you fit
things,
in there.
right?
Yes. Yeah, and it's a side load garage, so it kind of gives it a neat approach.
I love the look of it.
Right?
Now you were also mentioning to me that there is a pathway right in between this house and the neighboring house that leads into the other neighborhood.
Yes, so there are quite a few neighborhoods here that have a network of paths that connect each of them, so that you could easily go walk to your friend's house and get a cup of sugar if your neighbor right here won't and they're not home.
I love it. I love it. And then on top of the walking path here, we've got the Sabo Land Preserve right across the street.
Right across the street. And again, you had said that it was over 740 acres. I don't know how many miles of tracks, but like I said, you can get lost.
You can get lost. We won't forget that.
Yeah, so awesome.
Again, if you are interested in learning more about this particular home, the address is 5771 Boxthorn Trail in Kalamazoo. We are in Texas Township, and this is the Traditions 3100 floor plan. So please reach out to us. We'd love to be able to give you more information, love to give you a tour of this particular house. And if this isn't the right house for you,
we can build one.
You can build one,
Yes.
Whether it's in this neighborhood or another one.
Yes.
Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.